making my wife's breakfast. So I'm sauteing some ham, peppers, onions, some mushrooms. Got my eggs all ready for the omelet. I'm going to use some provolone cheese, which is amazing. I'm taking your advice. I've got some, not kale, but some baby spinach with some tomatoes on the plate. And then I will make her a very sexy omelet and put that on top of that bed. Also cooking on a electric range. After all these goodies have sauteed, then I'm pouring in my egg mix. I've already added salt and pepper to it. Got the coffee brewing. And when that's ready to flip, I'm going to see if I can impress you with a pan flip. Alright, so this is cooking. I come around here, I lift that up and get some of the uncooked raw egg batter underneath. Go all the way around. I use butter and just a little bit of oil to saute all the goodies, and then also to make sure it doesn't stick. And then it's pretty soon it's going to be ready for the flip. Let it cook a little bit more. Alright, looks like it's about ready for the flip. Oh, kind of a failure, but I can repair that. I didn't go high enough, but that's okay. It didn't fall apart, and it will be held together by the delicious provolone cheese. Put 2 slices on there, and then I turn my burner off so it doesn't get too hot, and I put the plate on it to hold the steam in to melt the cheese. Alright, the last step. Well, got that nice and melty. There we go. Alright, I'm going to look at that thing of beauty. Huh? And there is the ham and provolone cheese omelet with peppers, onions, mushrooms, and tomatoes on a bed of spinach.